how to use Instagram Edit's volume tucking feature. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Edit's volume tucking feature. So to use that feature, head to your Instagram Edits app and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to create a new project. Or you can just simply tap on the camera to click a new picture or a video. Now select your new project and then tap on the audio at the bottom of the screen to add your preferred background, track or song. Now select the song. Once you select the song, tap the audio clip and your timeline that you want to adjust. Then tap the volume docking option located on the bottom navigation bar. Once you tap on it, set the range or volume level you want the music to drop to, then tap the check mark or OK button. The app will automatically generate keyframes, reducing the music volume when you speak and raising it during pauses. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.